Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're thinking about starting a business but don't want to buy tons of inventory upfront, today I am giving you a complete step-by-step guide to dropshipping with Shopify, how it works, how to set it up, and some tips to help you succeed. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be understand actually what is dropshipping. It is a business model where you sell products online without keeping an inventory. When someone buys from your Shopify store, the order goes straight to your supplier. They ship it directly to your customer. You never touch the product. You are basically the middle person who handles the marketing on the website. So now let's talk about how you can set up the business. So first of all, you just need to be set it up your Shopify store. So step one, just sign in up. You will get to see something like this, and then here you just need to be sign up, and you will get 3 days free trial and then 3 months for $1 per month. It's really amazing to start with Shopify. Then you just need to follow the quick setup. You just need to be add your store name, answer a few questions, and enter the dashboard. And next you just need to be pick your themes from that place here. Then you just need to choose something clean and mobile friendly, customize it with your logo, colors, and pages like home, about, and content. Then you just need to find out your dropshipping product. So Shopify works well with dropshipping app like Desert. So if I click over here, then I will just go to the Shopify store. So there is a couple of apps we have like Desert, as Pocket, or Chandrop. So these are connected to your store with trusted suppliers. You can import products with one click. Search for product in your niche, check the supplier reviews, and add them to your store. Always pick products with good shipping times and reliable suppliers. This is super important for keeping your customer happy. So now I will go with to set up an app, Deserts here. So just search this one, and this one is Deserts AliExpress shopping. Just click this one. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes. I already installed it in our Shopify store. That's why I'm getting this one, and here I just need to create an account over that place. As you can see how easy the process was. Once you're done, it will automatically do all of things for you. So now you just need to be here, click on AliExpress. It will take a couple of minutes. Then just click to the login. Once you click over here, it will be redirect you to the AliExpress where you just need to create an account. So sign in and authorize permission by clicking. So if you have an account, you can go with this one. If you not, you just need to come back this place and create an account for AliExpress. Just click this one and then click to the register. Once you click over here, they will give you the options for create an account. You can go through the Google one. It is the simplest one. I will click on this place and then I will log into this platform. So the process is really simple. You just need to follow some guidelines they provide you. So here it will already been installed. So I will click to the authorize, and it will take a couple of minutes to authorize here, and just click to the authorize, and then here actually you can see that it already been authorized in here. So now you can see, now you just need to be see like here we have guidelines. You can see this one, and here you just need to be find out your product. You can do your product just from that place. You can see, then you can find products from that place also. You can find anything you want. You have all this access. Then once you're done, like here we are working with this one, so you can easily import this one. You just need to click over here, add to import list, and then okay, just click the got it, and it already been imported. Here you can see, just click confirm. Once you've done, it will be imported. Just click to the check, and here you can see it already been done, and you just need to be push it to your store. Just push this one, and first of all, before push, you just need to be find out your website address. Is it really your website? Because I already added it with a couple of websites. So here let's see, WNM. Yes, this one is the one. So I will click to the push store, and it will take a couple of minutes for the push. So here you can see the status, it is on the process. Once it's done, it will be added in your Shopify store product list. So here you can see it already been listed here. So now you just need to set up your payments and test order. Once you have product set up payment under setting and payments, here you just need to go to the setting and then click to the payments, and here you can eventually integrate your payments. You can add your payment gateway for your drop shipping. Then once you find out that all things are done, and you just need to get to a test order to make sure your checkout, shipping, and payment system all work. This tip saves your headache start. Then you just need to launch and market your store. When everything is ready, remove your password page and go live. But remember, with dropshipping, marketing is key. Run ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Create product videos, write good descriptions, and focus on what makes your store unique. Top dropshipper test products, tweak ads, and learn what sells. And don't be afraid, be experiment. And so that's your quick survey dropshipping tool for 2025. Sign up, pick a niche, connect to a supplier, and start selling. No warehouse, no stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.